Hi, this is Saad Mehboob, and in this video, I'll be walking you through how to apply row-level security in Power BI. Often it's the case that the underlying data, is relevant to many people in your organization. However, it is not necessary that all the people in the organization have the same access to the information, and there are some cases where confidentiality kicks in. So the row level security comes pretty handy in Power BI where you restrict the access of a particular person um, as per their role. So how do we do that in Power BI? Let me quickly jump to Power BI desktop. So here I have my sales dashboard, and I have access of this information of all the regions. However, I want to restrict this information for the European region. I want to assign a role who have the access to the information related to the European region only. So I'll go to the under the modeling tab. I'll click manage roles and I'll create a new role. I'll just demonstrate how I'll click and I'll click Europe. Since I've already done that, I'll walk you through how to do that. So under the European role, I'll filter the worldwide export LLC sheet. I have added a filter to this, which is that I want the region is equals to Europe only, and I save that. So once I've saved that, I publish that in Power BI, and once I've done my publishing and the report is saved, I can quickly go to Power BI online. Okay, so now I'm in Power BI online. I'll go to my underlying data sources and I'll go to my data source, which was the sales dashboard, and inside I'll click security, and I have a Europe role which is actually data limited to Europe only. So I'll assign somebody the role in my organization. No, I'm assigning myself. That's what I don't want. Let me see. Okay, I have another person, my colleague who works with me. So I'm assigning a limited access to the data that I have. And once I'm done with that, I'll add him and he's added to this Europe role, and I'll save the data. And once he is signed in from his role, he will only have access to the European data only. So hope that works out for you. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.